Alright buddy, today I'm walking along Orchard Road. This stretch of road is my favorite because I get to see so many buildings in just one stretch of road. Takashimaya, Wisma Asia, and Ion in Isetan is just in front. Wow, I've been here for like the past 4 hours or 5 hours. I was exploring a lot of malls in Orchard, you know. Like the Lucky Plaza, they call the Little Filipino. I mean the Little Philippines of Singapore because many Philippines people like to hang out there during weekends, especially the maid, and they'll bring their Indonesian boyfriend or Bangla boyfriend along sometimes. And this stretch of road, they normally have some kind of carnival during the Chinese New Year or the Christmas. It's usually like bustling with people and lots of things to see. Sometimes the police also block this way, block the road to let people in and out. They have barricades as well. Wow, look at all these beautiful staircase light up with lights. There's a blue one and the white one. And some days, right, they actually have like performances. Those busters, they will just do some street performance, like some kind of circus stuff. Yeah, and then they ask for donations, but today don't have. Maybe they are here on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today is really a weekday. But there's one thing special about this stretch of road. There are many tourists and a lot of ice cream. You know, the red color, the cover is ice cream, Singapore ice cream. Basically, this ice cream is special because the uncle will like cut the ice cream from a big block into a smaller one, and then they will sandwich in between the ice cream in between those rainbow colorful what do you call it, the bread. Whoa. Look at that, man. Now we have arrived at Isetan. There's even a Food Republic food court here. Superga is going to be released on 24th June. And in front is Ion already. Burberry, all the big brands. CK Tang is on the right. I think these uncles are very hardworking. They've been here since maybe morning. But having said that, there are a lot of competition, you know. And they also accept cash only. No CDC voucher, no credit card, you know, small businesses. But the money they make can be more than you and I combined income a month. The money income, I mean. This is also a favorite photo spot, man. And lots of people like to hang out here to chill, eat ice cream and SMS and do whatever they like. Look at this, man. And LV Louis Vuitton. That's so cute, Dior, Tiffany & Co. And look at the group shape. It's actually, you guys know, right? Those who are Singaporeans don't know. It's actually the underpass escalator to the MRT. You know, let me just show you. And from here, you can even see the Shaw House, which I did a video yesterday. There's a nice theater, cinema, the level 5 and 6. And the green building over there, look at that temple, right? This is Tang Plaza. Also shopping there. And opposite, it's not a Christmas tree, it's actually a Wheel of Praise. Another shopping area. Oh man. Look there, man.